Good morning, children. Let us start with a new poem. The poem is like a story only. It is Subha Chand ko chodaye. Subha means morning. Chand, moon. Chodaye, to leave or to release. Okay? Subha Chand ko chodaye means release the moon in the morning. कविता का परिचय. इस कविता में अनोखी कल्पना है जिसमें रात में चांद को धरती पर लाने और सुबह होने पर उसे आसमान में छोड़ आने का रोचक वर्णन है. इस कविता में अनोखी कल्पना है. देयर इज एन इमेजिनेशन, अ स्पेशल इमेजिनेशन. व्हाट इज इट? व्हाट इज दैट इमेजिनेशन? जिसमें रात में चांद को धरती पर लाने और सुबह होने पर उसे आसमान में छोड़ आने का रोचक वर्णन है. That means here actually one child is saying that the child has brought the moon down to the earth. Okay, when during night time, and again during morning what happened? He has left that moon back to the sky. That is what the child is imagining. Child is imagining that night the child is bringing the moon back to the earth, and early morning what is happening? This moon is again released back to the sky. That is what is explained here in the poem. कविता का उद्देश्य. So what is the objective here? कविता बोध करवाना तथा कल्पना शक्ति का विकास करना. कविता बोध करवाना means you have to learn this. तथा कल्पना शक्ति का विकास करना. So you should have some creativity. You have to imagine and do some creativity. That is what is said here in this poem. Now let me read it first. अजब गजब बातें करने में मिंटू जी थे सबसे आगे. जाने उनको कब क्या सूझे, बुद्धि जाने किधर को भागे. एक दिन मित्रों से वह बोले, सुनो ध्यान से मेरी बात. लाइट गुल हो गई रात में, लंबी लगने लगी थी रात. एक मित्र बोला, मिंटू जी सुनने वाली क्या है बात. लाइट तो अक्सर जाती है, चाहे दिन हो चाहे रात. मिंटू बोले, सुनो ध्यान से कल की बात निराली है. सो हियर व्हाट इज सेड? अजब गजब बातें करने में मिंटू जीते सबसे आगे. Means it is just unwanted talk, just for talking something, no, some topic. He will just start speaking. Who? One boy called Mintu ji. So this Mintu, whatever comes as his imagination, no, he starts speaking that as if it has really happened. Okay. So he was saying to the friends, always talk something which is unusual, not the common talk or normal talk. Something unusual he just imagines and then he speaks. अजब गजब means something unusual it is. अजब गजब बातें करने में मिंटू जीते सबसे आगे. So always he will be ahead, in front he will be, to talk something which is not required or which is something imagination. जाने उनको कब क्या सूझे, बुद्धि जाने किधर को भागे. So what happens for him we do not know. जाने उनको कब क्या सूझे. Anytime something, some thoughts will come to him. Anything. Some different thoughts will come to him. बुद्धि जाने किधर को भागे. So what is happening to his real intelligence we do not know. Where it is going, where it is running we do not know. बुद्धि जाने किधर को भागे. भागे means to run. किधर means somewhere. Okay. So we do not know when his intelligence, his thinking power goes on changing. एक दिन मित्रों से वह बोले, सुनो ध्यान से मेरी बात. So one day what he is saying? He is telling to his friends, you just listen to my words. एक दिन मित्रों से वह बोले, मित्रों means friends, सुनो ध्यान से मेरी बात. So you just listen to my words. लाइट गुल हो गई रात में, लंबी लगने लगी थी रात. लाइट गुल हो गई रात में. There was no power, there was no light, it was totally dark. गुल हो गई means there was nothing, no light was there, it was dark. लंबी लगने लगी थी रात. So I was feeling that night is too long because it was dark, isn't it? It was there was no light, it was dark. So I was thinking that this night is becoming very long. लंबी लगने लगी थी रात. एक मित्र बोला, मिंटू जी सुनने वाली क्या है बात. So he is saying, one of the friends is saying, okay Mintu, सुनने वाली का क्या है बात. So we are only listening to, what is there. There is nothing wrong here. We are just listening to you. Whatever thoughts you get, you will be sharing, isn't it? So we are just listening to you. लाइट तो अक्सर जाती है, चाहे दिन हो चाहे रात. So that boy is saying, his friend is saying, yeah, every day, often, very often, you will see there will be power off, power cut will be there, and there won't be light, whether it is day or night. Frequently, what happens? There will be no power. लाइट तो अक्सर जाती है, चाहे दिन हो चाहे रात, whether it is day or whether it is night. You see, there will be power cut always, frequently. मिंटू बोले, सुनो ध्यान से, कल की बात निराली है. So he is saying, so you just listen to me, but whatever has happened yesterday night or something very special, something unusual, you cannot even imagine. That is the thing what has happened yesterday night. He is explaining, Mintu ji is explaining to his friends. Okay. So here again, once again I will read. अजब गजब बातें करने में मिंटू जी थे सबसे आगे, जाने उनको कब क्या सूझे, बुद्धि जाने किधर को भागे. एक दिन मित्रों से वह बोले, सुनो ध्यान से मेरी बात, लाइट गुल हो गई रात में, लंबी लगने लगी थी रात. एक मित्र बोला, मिंटू जी सुनने वाली क्या है बात, लाइट तो अक्सर जाती है, चाहे दिन हो चाहे रात. मिंटू बोले, सुनो ध्यान से, कल की बात निराली है. So let me stop it here, children. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.